1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis, St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listening throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTPY Witness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Tonight, thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may be severe and may produce large hail, damaging winds, and possibly a tornado. Lows in the mid-60s.